am Ayana. I'm from Payyanur of Kannur district, Kerala. Here we are to discuss about how
You
read
you are
newspapers.
in your final year BSc Mathematics from Kannur University, studying in Payyanur College, right?
Yes,
Yeah. And you are an aspirant of civil service.
yes, sir.
Yeah. And I have given an assignment for reading one news from international or world page of Hindu daily
Yes,
and make a brief.
yes.
So you read the brief first.
I think I have to go WhatsApp with that.
Do you have your okay? I have your brief. You have your newspaper with you, or is it online available, or you have a paper with you?
Online.
So how do you read? You don't have facility to read both and access internet.
No, actually, I am doing it from my same phone.
Okay. Now tell me, um what is the content? What is the news? I can read. May 3rd, page number 16. India receives aid from Taiwan.
Yes,
Uh, when you come on to video, there is a two-third rule. You must occupy the two-third of the screen by yourself. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. India received aid from Taiwan, which included oxygen cylinders, concentrators, and medical equipments. The first batch of 50 oxygen concentrators, 500 oxygen cylinders landed in New Delhi this Sunday. Taiwan's Foreign Minister Joseph Wu tweeted full support for India. India has not accepted the Beijing's offer of aid and assistance. India prefers medical supplies from China on a commercial basis. Large number of orders has been placed by Indian companies. The Chinese companies accelerated their production in the past 2 days. This is the brief sent by Aina. Now tell me, what is the importance of this news?
actually, we know that India is facing so many issues in the medical field due to COVID that lack of oxygen supplies and other medical facilities are lacking in India, and many hospitals are facing so many problems to treat the patients efficiently. So many countries in the world send helping hand to India, and this was from Taiwan's voice selected guest.
Okay, just 1 second. Are you keeping the phone on a floor like this?
No, sir.
Is it on a stand? Is it on a phone?
Yes.
Why is it echoing? Can you lift it in your hand and hold it and see whether it's echoing?
I don't think so.
Yeah, now you speak. Will it echo? Repeat the same thing what you said.
We know that the COVID crisis is increasing day by day, and our country is facing so many issues in medical field, such as lack of oxygen and other medical supplies are very low in India. And the hospitals are not.
Okay, tell me, is COVID is the main content in the news?
No, the help sent by Taiwan is an important thing.
So Taiwan is important there. Okay, which are the
Yes.
other countries from where we got help?
America,
Hmm.
Russia, I think.
Okay, Russia, yeah. Doesn't
Uh,
matter. UK, yeah.
UK, Dubai.
UAE, not Dubai.
I
Dubai
think
is not a country.
UAE.
UAE is a country.
Yes.
You know why, Aina, I am correcting each, because Dubai, when you say, people will accept, but I will not accept.
Okay.
I will accept from somebody, but not from Aina, because you are a civil servant aspirant, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Taiwan, France, even Thailand, small country like Romania, Ireland, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Singapore. But then why Taiwan has got a priority?
Because there were so many issues with China,
Yeah, that is why in
and
that content there was another point. What was that point on China?
India has not accepted the offer from Taiwan because India does not want any helping hand from China.
Yeah, China.
India only want to do a business with China,
Okay.
not any helping hand.
So you understood the crux. But in the heading, why did you omit China and only put Taiwan? You understood what I'm saying.
Yes.
Because it is to compare between Taiwan and China. That is why in the content there was no mention about Russia, America, UAE, Gulf countries or any. The content was only to tell China and India want to have trade partnership. It's like a business. But whereas we want to accept Thai's help, offer of aid. Aid means help. So there is a partition done by India. I don't want China to give something giving free to me. I will pay you money. Who is rich? China is rich or Taiwan is rich?
China, right?
Obviously, China is right. Then actually, if India has consideration, what India should do? We must pay money to Taiwan and get free from China, right?
Yes.
From a poor country, we are getting free, and from a rich country, we are paying and getting.
Yes.
You understood? You understood what is importance in that news?
Yes.
Importance
India
in that,
doesn't
yeah. Therefore,
want
yeah.
aid from China, but India accepted the aid from Taiwan.
Why? That is what a civil servant, we are not worried about the fever coming for somebody or we are as a civil servant, Indian civil service. Tomorrow you are one person who has to represent India. Therefore, you are supposed to read and understand the relationship between different countries. How India, this can be a very major question. Understood? How India looks at these relationships. Got it? China and Taiwan is not at all comparable. Taiwan is maybe as small as Kerala. China is bigger than India. You can imagine. You are comparing. Got it? You are paying money in a 5-star hotel and eating free food from a small local vendor on the road. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So why is the question? Did you had this question while reading this newspaper? What is the meaning of foreign aid? What are the different types of business or help in such situations we can have? Did you had a comparison? Did you think about it is the question.
Actually, I didn't talk the way you said.
Yeah. What is required for a civil service aspirant when he reads newspaper is, now foreign aid, there are voluntarily Taiwan is ready to give something to us. Okay. So what is that Taiwan expecting back from us? No finance. Otherwise it would have asked money, right? Now Ayana is talking to me. I am spending my time. For last 10 years, maybe millions of students would have come and spoke to me. Did I charge anything to Ayana? Am I charging tuition fees to you?
No.
Why? See, today I'll tell you. Two many calls I got, but two important call I'll tell you. One from Kanyangad, where one mini called. Two years back, one brother wanted to join Central University. Which course he has to take? He had some confusion, so they called me. After that, today they called to decide for the younger one after plus 2 which course is to be taken. Why do they call after 2 years also remembering? Then I asked how did you know me? Last 2 years back we called for this purpose. Got it? Another girl from UAE, Sindhura. She completed her BTech civil engineering and asking for higher studies abroad. Which country is to go and which course is to be taken, what option is to be taken. Why am I doing it? This is a relationship building. Understood? That relationship building is what we do with Taiwan. Taiwan do with us. Because that is very important for Taiwan. Okay, so it is not finance. And definitely, we also will support when they are in trouble. So that is called a bilateral relationship. You understood? So it's a political relationship which is to be maintained. So all the newspaper which carries news from different countries which comes in international news, a page in Hindu, even from that country which is not related to India will come into that page. So we are supposed to look at it so that our political, financial, government, economic, world trade relationship, diplomatic relationship, all that can be understood and put in different category. Now we have a trade relation and a diplomatic relation with China. We have UN understands China as a very powerful country. What is the history of Taiwan? Taiwan is also called China. Do you know that?
Yes, it's a part of.
Yeah. What is it called? What is it called? Taiwan and China. How are they called differently? Yeah, Harivardhan, can you say?
Sir, Taiwan is officially recognized as Republic of China.
Yeah, it's called the Republic of China, and China is called the People Republic of China.
Yes, sir, PRC.
Yeah.
People Republic of China.
So ROC, Republic of China, is what Taiwan is, but it is not recognized by most of the countries in the world. As an independent country, it has to be recognized by United Nations. Then we can have a diplomatic relationship with that country. So even India doesn't have a diplomatic relationship with Taiwan today. Most of the countries don't have. But America and all has got a relationship with Taiwan very recently also. They have given lot of weapons to. Last newspaper reading which I had on this platform with one student was America giving weapon to Taiwan. Why America has to supply to Taiwan? Because the reason is when China is to be opposed, it's a small island. Taiwan is a small island. In the Southeast Asia, I know whether you can understand, East Asia. East means when India, then China is extended to Northeast. But East Asia, Taiwan is a small place. We have to cross Myanmar, all that, and go into the sea, and then a small island. Assume tomorrow I want to have a military base to attack China from that side. Taiwan is a very good critical location. Got it? So India also like to have a good relationship with Taiwan, so that Taiwan will help India in case of a need tomorrow. Though politically, diplomatically, directly we cannot have a relationship, but we can have a relationship like this. I will help you, you will help me when we want. Got it? So in that, America, India, all of us are in one hand. So aid wise, there is an aid which is helping somebody support somebody when they require it. There is a bilateral help. I will help you, you will have to help me. One country will help and the other country will help. I will give you jackfruit, you will give me mango. Right? That also can be a mutual help. Then there can be a multilateral aid. You read all this differently. Another one is military aid. America gave a military aid. They may charge money because nobody can manufacture. Even oxygen cylinder is given by Taiwan to India. Some company in Taiwan is who is making it, right? So when Taiwan has to make, they have to invest money. So that company in Taiwan has to be paid. Companies will not pay free. It is government who has to pay, right? So Taiwan government has to pay. Got it? Then there is another aid called project aid. All these are controlled by UN different funding agencies. So if there is a bilateral relationship, multilateral relationship, economic relationship, which are all controlled by different bank, like commercial bank, credit bank, foreign direct investment bank, or maybe multinational development bank. The third world bank is there. World Bank group of banks may be there. Anywhere they will have to show some financial transaction. It is all book adjustment. When America is giving lot of money to World Bank or maybe some UN, it is not going to give that much money there. In case of need, whatever I am supporting, some other country recognized by UN, I will put this much money I have already given to this country, this country, this country, this country. That's all accommodated as a aid given to UN because under the UN. Okay. See, for example, Bhutan and America, USA have a different relationship. Diplomatic relationship sometime will have a actual the existence of a embassy itself is a diplomatic relationship. Assume I have an embassy of India in Taiwan. That means I am having a diplomatic relationship. But that embassy depends on different cadre, can be for tourism. Whether they will allow me with a e-visa. Every country doesn't allow the other fellow. You can just land there and then get a visa stamped by paying money in that. You will have to do pre-verification. You will have to wait. Indians to go to America, we need to wait like that. But if I want to go to Nepal, my passport is enough. Visa itself is not required. It's a different country. So every country has got relationship in an entirely different style. So we have a relationship with the Taiwan which is entirely our interest and Taiwan's interest. Sometimes a enemy's enemy is a friend. Understood? So we don't like China. China doesn't like Taiwan. Therefore we like Taiwan. Okay. So when we are asking China, we will pay you. That means don't expect anything from us free. Got it? I am not going to help you. All these are important matter in that content. Got it? Why are we reading that? It is not for understanding how many cylinders they give. That is unimportant. So this is what is inside story of a story which you read in the newspaper. Your brief I couldn't assess because I have not seen the original news. I also did not read Hindu newspaper of that day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So two things. One is fact and figures. Second one is good vocabulary. Fact and figures means understand where is the country, how big is that, what is the GDP, who is the person, who is the foreign minister, who did it well. Okay, and then what are the actual institutions involved. Sometime UN name will come, WTO name will come, World Trade Center some name will come, bank name will come, country's name will come. Here we have only three countries. So it's like a drama. Three countries are involved. They have some dialogue. That is what is quoted in the newspaper. But background there are big stories which we have to understand when we see the drama. So every news is, you ask your father, Bharadatan will tell you. In news, when they write a news, they will say, I made a story. I wrote a story in Hindu. That this reporter also will say, I gave the story to the news. In Malayalam, we don't say. Malayalam, it's called report only, right? But in English, when they write a report to a newspaper, it is called, I gave a story. It's like a drama or a story. How do you present it beautifully with a beautiful title? That's important. So, in your title, it was not very clear. Got it? India receives aid from Taiwan. Because when I read inside, I found China on a commercial basis. So, I am 100% sure Hindu will not give that title like this. What was the title? Do you remember? I have not seen, so I am asking.
Actually, that was the title, and there was a subtitle too.
Yeah, what was that? Definitely China's name will be there.
Yes.
And the commercial also will be there. Otherwise, that will not come.
Yes.
Okay, now where is it important? I'll tell you. See, when I read the paragraph, I found the title is not. So, have you seen in the English examinations, mostly they will give a paragraph and ask you to give a title?
Yes.
Yeah, the apt title, the best title to be given. That is very, very important. So that we understand the story. We keep interest. Oh, what is it? I wanted to know about it. That feeling will come. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that when I thought that when I tell you, maybe others also will get some benefit. Because Harivardhan Reddy is also one who is interested. Nilima is, Rashika is there. Who else is there to see? Yeah, anything to ask? Anything else? You could ask me related to this anything. Anybody who want to ask anything? So you must keep reading newspaper like this, and then maybe one page for each country. Got it? Now you can write Taiwan, you can write China. Relationship, commercial relationship with China. Here, the content will be, we have got diplomatic relationship. No diplomatic relationship. Actually, India and Taiwan doesn't have diplomatic relationship also. Officially, we don't have. Okay. Yeah. I may not know the relationship between Taiwan and India diplomatic, whether when it has gone, I don't remember all that years. But I know approximately it was 30 years. During 1990s, we wanted to patch up because I was with the government during those time. I worked with Manmohan Singh and I was part of the strategic relationship between the neighboring countries. I was in that directorate. I was working in that directorate. I was deputy director in cabinet secretariat where we keep relationship analysis and all that. But I may not remember the year now because I lost connection for last 10 years. So this is how you should read and look at it carefully.